Okay, now we're gonna put together the SILIGUN hanging display. We got 3 pieces. It's gonna come with 3 pieces, main pieces. The outside layer, the box, the display box, and the price display. This is our main part. That's gonna be the main box. We're gonna flip it upside down. You can see the writing is upside down, and start locking the bottom of it. That's basically gonna be the bottom. We got upper flap. That's gonna go together over the side flaps. We're gonna go into little grooves around here, and then we're gonna put the side flaps in also into the grooves. Not necessary, but it's a good idea to put a little bit clear tape just to support the bottom. They won't open up. After we do that, we can flip it straight. Okay, in this part we have smaller flaps open, and we got our second portion, which is the box. You can see it right here. Okay, so this part we're gonna pre-fold it, just like that. Small part inside, and we're gonna start inserting it. You see, just like that. Now when we're gonna put this down, you want to make sure that it goes into the small flaps, to the smaller flaps. We don't need to lock it just yet. Just put it in like that. Now we want to come down. Make sure that when we fold this up, we're gonna do this motion, that those little flaps here gonna go under. It's gonna hold everything together, like you can see here, in both sides, under the side flaps. You can see right here. And then we want to push it up, so it'll go in the groove right here, and push it all together. That's the way it's gonna look if you do it right. Okay, after we got that part, that's gonna be the hardest part, just to make sure the little flaps on the side goes in. From here, it's pretty simple. We got the display, the sign, gonna come right in those grooves. It's nice and snuggy. All right. Then you're also gonna get a kit plastic bag full of the hangers. I'm just gonna put one just to show, but you have plenty to use. Get one of those hangers. You want to take the 2 sticky portions. You just put it in the holes, already pre-made holes. Push them through and let them rest on it. And then in the end, we got our SILIGUNs that we're just gonna hang right here. You're also gonna receive a little bag that's gonna have 2 hangers, which we're gonna put in the back of the display, and will allow you to hang them on store shelves. And basically it's gonna look like that. And I'll show you how it's been done. You got a little insert seal. just like that. Push against the insert, pull it up, and it's ready to be hanged. That's it.